Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix call history not showing in Oppo phone. So let's start. First you need to tap on your dialer and this menu will appear. Tap on app info and from here go to permissions. Scroll down and here you will see call logs. Tap on this option and allow it. Now go back. Then go to storage usage. From here, tap on clear all cache. Then clear data. Then close this window. Now go back to your dialer app and tap on set as default calling app. Now your problem has been resolved. Now as you can see, I can also saw my previous call history. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe and I will meet you in next video.